The economics of data analytics, digital transformation was written specifically around understanding that data is an economic asset. And I wanted to bring the business leaders and business takeovers in this conversation to say, not a technology conversation, it's an economics. And economics is a value in use creation methodology, that I use data to create value. Data itself has zero value. In fact, data itself has costs. You got to store it, back it up, etc. So if you're not using it, you're just incurring costs. And so I really wrote that book to instill a mindset that you needed to think about this economics perspective. And it worked, but it was missing something. That because it was only tailored really for senior business executives, it missed the bigger part of the organization who had to be empowered to understand how to think like a citizen of data science. That it wasn't just the senior executives, it wasn't just the head of medical operations in the hospital. It was informing each and every one of the nurses and doctors and technicians who had a mindset to think about using data, capturing data, and such. So it had to be, I had to figure out a way to empower everybody in the organization. So I wrote that book, the data literacy book, for everybody else who needed to be part of this process. It's not good enough if the senior level buys in, which is a start. If you can't get the grassroots, you got to have this pincher effect where senior management goes, it's an economic play, I get it. And the grassroots says, it's about delivering better outcomes. I get it. When you bring those together, when you couple and unleash that tribal knowledge in the organization, pardon my bluntness, but magic shit happens.